Welcome, innovators. Today we unveil 10 groundbreaking ways to monetize AI. Dive in with us. 1. Personalized marketing solutions. AI crafts advertisements tailored uniquely for each user, skyrocketing conversion rates. 2. Automated financial advising. AI-powered robo-advisors predict market trends, offering cost-effective investment advice. 3. AI-powered health diagnostics. AI assists doctors, analyzing medical data for quicker, accurate disease diagnosis. 4. Smart home integrations. AI optimizes home energy, security and convenience, revolutionizing modern living. 5. E-commerce enhancements. AI personalizes shopping, manages inventory and streamlines customer service, boosting sales. 6. AI-driven content creation. AI crafts music, articles and videos, producing diverse digital content efficiently. 7. Advanced gaming experiences. AI enhances game mechanics and adaptability, offering players an immersive experience. 8. Customized learning platforms. AI adaptive educational tools cater to each student's unique learning style. 9. Predictive maintenance in industries. AI predicts equipment failures, saving industries billions in maintenance costs. 10. Virtual fashion and fitting. AI-powered virtual trials reduce returns and elevate the shopping experience. AI's potential is monumental. Embrace it today to lead tomorrow.